Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Rakuten Kobo Nia and you want to do a factory reset from the settings menu. There's two main reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this reader, like not working or it's not connecting or anything like that you're trying to troubleshoot and trying to fix, this will very often fix the issue. Now this is going to wipe everything off of here. All your books will be lost and everything like that. And so you'll need to set everything up again. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or you bought a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start, like it's coming out of the box with nothing on it, we can go ahead and do that straight from the menu. So up at the top, you'll hit the little hamburger icon to open the menu, and you'll hit the settings. And from settings, you'll select device information. Then from device information, you will select advanced. And from advanced, you'll select factory reset. It may ask you to confirm after that, at which point you can confirm it. Everything will be wiped off. It will turn off and turn back on as a new device.